Hello everyone, or in French.
Bonjour à tous.
And for today's episode, guys, I'm going to show you and give you the mechanics and descriptions of the examination DELF BA or B1 here in France. But before that, guys, for those na bago sa aking channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button down here. So stay tuned, guys. And before I'm going to give you the mechanics, guys, of the examinations of DELF B1 or BA, ating alamin muna kung ano ba talaga itong DELF na tinatawag nila dito sa France. You know, DELF, guys, it stands with the Diplôme d'études en langue française. The DELF B1 or BA, it is an official exam from French Ministry of Education. And alam nyo ba, guys, it is also recognized around the world. Wow! Ano ang kalagahan ng diploma na ito pag andito tayo sa bansa ng France? To those mga foreign nationals or like us, Filipinos, ito ay napakahalaga in order to obtain your French nationality. Ito isa sa mga requirements, guys, sa pag-apply ng French nationality. And this diploma also, it's necessary to validate some diplomas. And there are 4 types or description in this exam. And let's go to the first one, which is the listening. The listening, or ito yung tinatawag nila na ikuti, guys, it is a comprehension questionnaire dealing with several recordings. Actually, guys, they play the recordings twice, and with a maximum of 6 minutes each, with a total points of 25. So all you need to do, guys, because normally they will give you some few minutes to read all the questions before they play the recordings. So you need to know what questions being asked, and you need for the first played of the audio or the recording, you need to write it down, all the answers, and then the second one you need to validate or to know if it is really the right answer. So you need to focus, guys, and these types durations, it's about 25 minutes only. And let's go with the second type of test, guys. Ito yung reading comprehension. This questionnaire, it's dealing with several written documents. Ito yung may mga documents kayo, guys, na babasahin, of course, inside the questionnaire, and you need to extract useful informations and analyze the contents of that documents, because after that there is some questionnaires, some questions regarding about that documents. And this type of exams, guys, duration is about 45 minutes with 25 points, also the same with the first one. And the third type of test, guys, is the writing. In this type of test, you need to express your personal or own opinion in a general topic. It's either in the form of essay or a letter or article. It depends on the questionnaires. And normally they put or they require the number of words you need to write it down. In my part, I think I need to write 160 to 180 words, and you need really, guys, to respect how many words they need you to write it, because it add points, and you have only 45 minutes to finish this type of test. And of course, the points of this test is 25, the same with the first 25 points also. And let's go to the last part of the exam, guys, the number 4, which is the speaking. Or ito yung tinatawag nilang oral exam, guys. You know, in oral exams, they have 3 parts exam type of test. The first one is the guided conversation. Normally, it's just, it's like a personal interview between you and the examiner. You just, she will just ask something about yourself, and you need to answer it. And its duration, it's about only 2 to 3 minutes. Mabilis lang, guys. And the second part, it is the interactive exercise. Ito yung may, for example, may situation kayo guys na interact between you and the examiner. But normally, they will give you 2 topics, guys, and you need just to choose one, which topic you will interact with. Guys, for me, I choose the one which is a topic that yung marami kang sasabihin or marami kang opinions about that topic para hindi ka mawala ng, alam mo yun, ng idea when you're going to interact with the examiner. And then it takes guys only 3 to 4 minutes, mabilis lang din. And then the last part of this exam, guys, it is the expressing an opinion to a design topic. For example, they will give you a document. You need to read it. They will give you some minutes to read it, and then after you will express your opinions, of course, orally in this topic. And then it takes also, guys, I think it takes 5 to 7 minutes. So one tip lang, guys, when you're speaking or you're already in the oral examinations, just keep calm, guys, and don't panic, and don't speak too fast. Dahil in my case, kung masyado kang mabilis magsalita, mabilis ka mawala ng idea, and then you will blank it. And that's all, guys, all the types, the 4 types or descriptions of the examinations of DELF B1 or BA here in France. And recap lang, guys. As I told you, it's 100 points all, but we have 4 types. So each has 25 points, but they required each test at least 5 points each. So 5 over 25. So for example, if you perfect all the 3, or you get the high scores in 3, but you failed the one, you get for the total failed, guys. You did not pass the exam for that in that case. And that's all, guys. I just want you to, guys, before I end this video, for the price today of the DELF BA or B1, it's worth 130 euros. I get it from a close friend of mine who just passed her examinations. It's 130 euros, guys. And to acquire these examinations, you need to check in the website or in the official website of the accredited center here in France to take the exam. And yun lang, guys. Just keep reading, guys, and keep listening. Even maybe if you have some tele, you can watch in French, some news. It really helps, guys. And for me, I also have this book, the DELF BA or B1, but it's actually for scolaire and junior, but it helps me also a lot. And I have this one before when I went to school. We use this kind of book for B1. This is the Vite and Bien level 2, and it's very good, guys, because they have some sample documents or some sample of the examinations with also with the CD, guys. You can there's a listening part, so you can put it in your computer. And for today, I think it's okay. It's finished. I all discuss the mechanics of the exams, and I want you to thank you for being with me and for watching this vlog of mine. And I hope everyone stay safe and have a nice day to all. And hope to see you in my next vlog. And please don't forget to click the subscribe and like button. And thank you, guys. Bye bye.